The newly redesigned Fireplace Extraordinaire 44 Elite really brings the heat and features our new next-gen hybrid technology. It's the next generation of catalytic wood burning. The results are lower emissions, higher efficiencies, and longer burn times. All of our new next-gen hybrid models qualify for the 30% USA Energy Tax Credit. The 44 Elite Next-Gen Hybrid features the largest firebox available in its class, 4.2 cubic feet. Can take logs up to 32 inches long and can heat grand spaces up to 3,000 square feet. The massive 473 square inch glass viewing area is highlighted with its elegant double doors, available in two stunning designs, which replicate the look of a traditional masonry fireplace. Invest in your home's value with the all-new 44 Elite Next-Gen Hybrid and experience the extraordinary comfort, beauty, and high performance of a Fireplace Extraordinaire that your family is going to love.